Not so many times away.
About painting my house so that it blends in with the woods.
Yeah.
So there's a tree coming up behind it. I would chase the tree where it meets at the top of my house, so that if you were at a distance, it would just look like woods.
Camouflaged.
Yeah, camouflage, but not like pink camo, you know.
Yeah, like actual camo, like actual forest.
Right.
But then you have animals running into your house.
I might not ever get to sleep because the raccoons and the possums will all come out and bud.
Oh gosh, rain. Yeah, that thunder doesn't sound promising. Wait.
Yeah. Up ahead, there's a blue sky.
I mean, yeah, in different areas. And we kept going through areas when we were coming. It would not be raining, and then up the road a little ways, it would rain a little bit, and then it would stop again. So it's kind of going, well, we just don't know.
Yeah, we'll have to see.
One of those pockets that it's not raining.
Well, if it ever stops raining, we'll get to go on our hike. Hello, house tour, my parents' future retirement home.
Is that like two of them?
It looks like 2 buildings, yeah. That is really cool. Dang.
I don't
Because
think.
the rain cooled so fast.
Yeah.
Wow. I don't think we're gonna get to go on our hike, but yeah, wow. That fog.
What's the taxes on the property?
It doesn't say, and we just copied Beth. She got a cream cheese Danish, and so did we. It won't focus. Okay. Ooh, it's really pretty. Oh, dragon wing.
832. So they get us sideways.
Mom, we've been gypped. There's paper plates on the wall.
He did soak them first.
Yeah.
So I'm in North Carolina with my parents and my aunt right now, and we spent the night in this Airbnb, and yesterday we tried to go hiking, but it rained. So we ended up driving around and doing other stuff. But yeah, we're gonna go hiking this morning, and I don't know, we might do a second trail this afternoon after lunch. But yeah, it's been really nice to come see Hendersonville here, and I've enjoyed it. It's just like classic small town America. From my impressions. Definitely classic small town America. I love the craftsman style homes. It makes me want to do a road trip across the South and like come up here and end up going to New York to visit family. That would be amazing, but it's currently not something I have the time or money for, I think. We'll see, in the near future, possibly. Who knows, I always have crackpot travel ideas that are always in the works.
There's another one. No, that's
Travel, let's go up the hill. What's that?
That's what he's actually looking for.
Oh, we're headed into the hills.
Yes, into hills.
Jack and Jill went up the hill.
We're here and it's not raining. That's us.
Triple Falls.
Yep, Triple Falls Trail. Oh, okay.
That's why we said we're not. We don't know how long this is going to take.
Uh-huh. A mushroom. My inner mycologist is quaking. More mushrooms. Inner mycologist still quaking.
Oh, that one's just been eaten off.
Thank you for holding it up for so long because my camera won't focus. Wow, that's gorgeous. Great Daddy Longlegs as well if it'll focus. There he is. Gorgeous. Oh yeah. Uh-huh. Sammy will step on them and they'll spread their spores and it'll be a giant poof. One time I did that just to kick one for fun and spread spores and then it like got on my shoe.
And then track it in on your rug and then you get mushrooms growing on your rug.
That's one way to be a mushroom farmer.
You have to water your rug.
Yeah, all the people down there. Dang.
People with bathing suits on, I saw that there. I was going,
Yeah. That would be insanely cool to go down there.